Perfect.
Right here is the electric induction cooktop burner. The perfect storage place for this is right in here. A lot of storage space in there. I keep pots and pans and my true induction burner in there. These things work extremely well, and whenever you're done with them, you can take it, put it back in the kitchen pod, and then it opens up this space really nicely again. So you're not wasting any space. With the stovetop, you can take it out, put it back in, or if you just want to take it out altogether and just leave it out for a trip or something so you have more space in here, great, you can do that. It plugs in, it's got a 3-prong plug in. So this is the true induction cooktop burner.